Alright, y'all. My wife was most generous. And my wife and kids most generous enough to give me a GoPro Hero 7 Black for my holiday gift. So I kind of asked them for it, but it was much appreciated. So let's check this out. Little tag on here, but activate your product warranty. www.newer.com. So let's check this out. So you can this company, you can activate a product warranty, and you know, they have stuff going. So let's just see what they come out with, man. These are accessories, by the way. This is not a GoPro Hero 7 Black 3. Did I say Black 3? Hero 7 Black Edition. So it comes with a case, already A1. Already kind of figured it would come with a case because of how I felt, but I'll tell you that anyway. Alright, so some of these things I know, some of these things I don't, so we'll see. Alright, so they come with the, check this out. Let me focus that in for you. This kind of tells you all the stuff it comes with. Nice little example of somebody using it. You open it up, man. Installation guide for guys like me. Pretty dope, because I need pictures, I don't need directions, I just need to do it myself. Company type stuff. There you go. Yeah. Alright, so again, all the stuff I might not need, but it's good to have. It was a good price. I'll put in the description, even if it's not right away, I'll put in the description how much I paid for it. Very inexpensive. And goes to the GoPro, but it might not be from GoPro. So as you can see, you have the pretty much the adapter that you can fit into your GoPro and get lock it in with a thumb lock. So looks like this was kind of like the wrist lock right there. That's dope. Thank you. Excuse me, you guys. I'm just getting over cold, but caught it from my son. Guess it might have been worth it. Here we go. So you know, if you're a GoPro guy or gal, you have the the little mount they come in. You can put this on your wrist too. Slide the GoPro in. Man, bad time to do the video. I'm okay, you guys. I'm okay. All right, here we go. Not sure what this is. I know you can put the grid in there, put the GoPro, and it's clipping on something. Hopefully I'm done. Not sure what this is, but it comes part of the package, and I know they give you directions on it, but here you go with the, see, we'll focus in on there. There you go with the parts you can, you know, basically, you can basically put your, you know, GoPro there. All right. Well, we got a lot of pieces here. Most of these are like adjustments and adapters to the GoPro, but it's good. You got extras, so that's awesome. And when I tell you guys the price, it'll be even better. So I'm not gonna open this one because it's pretty much the same thing. Awesome that you get a lot of these. A long time to be doing a video, but hey, whatever. At least I'm not getting anybody else sick. So I want to say this is the plunger. We put it on the window, and this will be great because of the fact that you put it on the car, and then not only you can put it on a car, you can, makes a lot of noise there, but you can adjust it, and you can just sit it right on top of that bad boy, and you can adjust this. But I'm pretty sure you can. It's a little looser. You can't hear. It's not a word, but it's a little looser. I'm gonna put it back on. You hear the, so you can stick that on your windshield, and it didn't go to work. Not bad, not bad. A little plastic here. So before I got the GoPro, I did a lot of research, and there's a lot of tripods they recommended, and I already have a good one. Actually, I'm using it right now on my Canon G7X. So shout out to Canon. But check that out. So let me focus that. Let me focus that. So this one right here, you can, it's kind of flexible like the one I'm using right now. So you have the pretty much the adapter that you can put your GoPro on or any camera on that has this adapter on the bottom, but you can low key like flex it, no noise. Flex it, flex it, flex it. Like grab something with that. Grab something with that. Turn it however you want to, upside down, this way up. So the one I'm using right now with the Canon G7X is just pretty much the same thing, but it's longer and a little has a little wider spread. So same thing. This is awesome, especially for the price. Man, I'm sitting here just sniffling, and the only reason because I was sick, but I won't blow my nose and be all rude. And this is how we do. You know what? Stop the video. Stop the video. Nah, we gonna keep going. All right, so here you go. This is one that I think I wouldn't mess with, but here it is. Cause I don't know if I was gonna be in the water or anything like that. But let's take all this out the package. So all right, so we got this yellow tube. So this was gonna, if you hook this up to it and you're in the water, I did jet skiing with GoPro years ago, and it wasn't mine, but I rented it and it was dope. So if you drop your YouTube in the water, or your YouTube, I'm on YouTube, GoPro in the water, something like this can help it rise to the top, and you'll be able to identify it because it's high yellow. Then you have the blue string, and these are UCLA colors, so kind of upset about that, but whatever. You know, you be able to see it. It's probably better not to be seen in football and basketball. Better just win. So you know that, and then another thumb like handle where you can just tighten everything up. So you got a yellow tube that you can see come out the water. You got this that you can see come out the water. And another one, like, man, that was like 15, 20. All right. It's probably less than that, but there's a lot that we got. So and we gotta plug this company, man. They hooked us up. Here we go. For us runners and us, you know, got kids and stuff. Again, body strap, chest strap. You just, like a harness, you just wrap this around you, and you just slide that in. Good to go. Enough said. A lot of these, if we have somewhere steady, you just like trying to stick mounts to. A lot of these, so it's that double tape adhesive that you might need. It's awesome. So send you both sides here. All right. So, oh, another differential, like, I guess, is that another head strap? Another cool one. I'm probably gonna use this a lot because I bought the GoPro mainly to run. So, ask me how many times I ran in the last few weeks, but I'll strap this on my head and so y'all can see where I'm running at. Outside, not on the treadmill. Don't you play. Knock that over. It's all good. Extra little strap. Only for the wrist. And hey, cool little. It's a little cool little. Well, let's figure this one out. Definitely a selfie stick. Maybe I can shift and turn and all kind of stuff. Oh, maybe I can. Yeah, maybe I can extend. It's like a little antenna, man. That's pretty cool. We got this one. Cool. We got two kind of selfie sticks. Three actually. I ain't show you that one yet. And then they give you. Let y'all see that. Let y'all see that. They give you the, you know, sticky so you can mount everything. Hey, tell you what. All this out, at the end of the day, they gave you the case to carry all of that. I need to put the website in the description.